So hello from the south part of the Czech Republic. We are in the city called Vraj. It's close to Písek. I'll put the link below if you can check, if you want to check the city. And I actually visited the local dealer of Yamaha. This is and I found this very special build. It's a cafe racer Yamaha XSR 900. It's not like a super, super big build. They didn't influence or change many things, but I actually like it. There are a couple of custom parts I would like to highlight. As you probably know, I am the owner of XSR 900, so I kind of know this motorcycle, and so that's why I'm curious about it. So first of all, they changed they put the fairing, and this is not the fairing from the Abarth version, but this is actually originally from Ducati Polesmart 1000. They had to highly customize it and build, actually here from the steel, the frame to hold it, and to cover the original speedo. That's nice. And also it was quite difficult to to make it possible, the handlebar to allow it to full move. And so the handlebar are from Yamaha R6, the same with the brake pump, and also the customized are the brake and clutch levers. They're very nice. Mirrors, very special turning lights, I have to say. I really like them, together with the front light. Very nice. And last but not least, the exhaust, which is Akrapovic Racing Line, and the sound is very special, but I have to show you on some other place. So let's go for a short ride, and I'll show you the sound. So guys, this is just an interesting thing, interesting motorcycle. It's not a full in-depth review because I already did a few videos about the XSR 900. So you can, if you're looking for the information about the engine and about the suspension and riding position of the normal bike, just check my YouTube, and I'll put the link here in the corner, and you can watch my videos. But here I'm riding a special, sort of cafe racer build, and I have to say it's it has been some time. I last time ridden my own XSR which I left in Gran Canaria, and now I'm shooting the reviews in the Czech Republic. But I have to say that I miss it, because after I sit on this one, oh my goodness, this is so cool. So the riding position, it's really a cafe racer. So these slip-ons, handlebar from Yamaha R6, and the sound. Oh my goodness. So sorry, the handlebar and I get to the position of the seating later, if you allow me to do it, and I'll just ride. This is so cool. So you feel you are way lower to the ground, with your head, and you have more weight on your hands, which is uncomfortable and stylish, and you are more in connection with the bike and with the ride. And I just think that by the way, you are closer to the exhaust too, and there is a Akrapovic from the Racing Line. The sound is just beautiful. Just check this out. And I just think that in this bike, you have to, invest more. Like, you have to put more on the input, and you will get more on the output from the, if I should tell it from the jargon of developers or something like this. It's you need to invest a little bit more, focus in riding and skills, and kind of, you have to be there, and then you will get a little bit more of, not of the speed, but of the riding passion and emotions and adrenaline, and something to tell your friends. This is really good. In terms of sitting really, anything changed from the middle of my body. Like the legs, the position of the legs and foot is all the same, but everything happened here
so I have more weight on the handlebar, on the hands, and I really feel them just from the, I don't know, like I did like 5 kilometers. Oh, check train. And I feel some pain, some weak pain, but I really enjoy. Especially with the Akrapovic exhaust. And once I heard this one, this is my first experience with the aftermarket exhaust on the XSR, and as soon as I get to my bike back, I'll have to upgrade it, because this is very good. It improves the riding kind of, you know, experience a lot. And it's not the, you know, the Akrapovic 3-to-1-to-2, like with two pipes, like two mufflers. This is just a single one, but it works. I'm surprised. It works really nice. Some other parts of this bike are upgraded. There's the light, which is very nice, the LED light, and I like the design, and it works better in the night from what I heard. And you know, it's true that on the previous generation, I mean on my stock bike, the light doesn't work very well. I like a few details like these blue color mirrors, and in the top, you know, in the end of the mirrors. This is really nice. Oh my god, this is really good. Like I have to tell you the truth that I was kind of thinking to sell my Yamaha, because I don't obviously ride it very much right now, because I'm now shooting in the Czech Republic, and I'm planning a you know, big trip to Italy to test some Italian bikes, and it will take some time to get back to Gran Canaria, but now I'm tackling with the idea of taking my bike, you know, bringing it back to the Czech Republic and putting it here to the guys in the PSEC, in the local Yamaha dealership, to make something similar like this, because okay, the comfort and practical side of thing, it's way worse. I can't imagine to ride it to Spain or Croatia. It would be a nightmare. But for a short ride, oh my goodness, this is one of the best riding experience for a long time. And I can tell you that I have here Moto Morini 1200 Corsaro Veloce, which is the bike without any assistance, with amazing 1200cc engine, V-twin, which I'm now testing. It will be in YouTube soon. It's just a pure fun motorcycle, but here, I don't know, at least it's a draw. And this Yamaha, it's way easier to work with in the corners, you know, to kind of find the right amount of throttle you want to actually put on a wheel. So thank you very much for watching. This is a short video. It's not a full review. I'll put the links on the road where I ridden and on the shop here in PSEC in the Czech Republic. And I hope you liked it, because this was nice. And if you have your own build of or any other modifications of XSR 900, I'm very open and very happy to see them. Let me know in comments. Bye.